Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
On May 20, 1964, American radio astronomers Robert Wilson and Arno Penzias discovered the cosmic microwave background radiation, CMB, the ancient light that began saturating the universe 380,000 years after its creation. And they did so pretty much by accident.
Let's help you make your mark.
The absolute radiometer for cosmology, astrophysics, and diffuse emission, ARCADE, is a balloon-borne instrument to measure the temperature of the cosmic microwave background at centimeter wavelengths. ARCADE uses narrowband cryogenic radiometers to compare the sky to an external full-aperture calibrator.
Take our lead.
The CMB is faint cosmic background radiation filling all space. It is an important source of data on the early universe because it is the oldest electromagnetic radiation in the universe, dating to the epoch of recombination. CMB is landmark evidence of the Big Bang origin of the universe.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can't see the CMB with your naked eye, but it is everywhere in the universe. It is invisible to humans because it is so cold, just 2.725 degrees above absolute zero, minus 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is thought to be leftover radiation from the Big Bang, or the time when the universe began. As the theory goes, when the universe was born it underwent a rapid inflation and expansion. This means its radiation is most visible in the microwave part of the electromagnetic spectrum.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.